Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can save or backup pictures in the Photos library to the Files app on the iPhone 13 series. Now first let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on the Photos app. In here, tap on the Library button at the bottom. In Library, you want to tap on the Select button at the top, and in here select the photos that you want to save to the Files app. So let's say I'm going to select a couple of photos here, and then you want to tap on the Share button at the bottom. From the pop-up, tap on Save to Files. Now in here you need to select the destination folder. You can save it to iCloud Drive or on your device or on the iPhone. Okay, in here select a folder that you want to save the files to. So I'm going to select this folder here that I have created previously, IT Jungles. And so select the destination folder and tap on the Save button at the top. And that's it, those photos has been saved to the Files app. So if you happen to delete photos in here, you still have a backup of those photos in the Files application. And in here I have opened up the Files application, and if I go down and open up on my iPhone, then I open up the IT Jungles folder. In here all the photos that we have recently just copied over, and that's it. So that is how you can save or backup pictures from the Photos library on the iPhone 13 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.